Silent XS, the first portable suction unit for minor grinding tasks, designed for dental offices and in-house laboratories. The compact size and optional battery operation enable flexible work in all practice rooms. Efficient dust extraction exactly where it is generated. The integrated LED lighting guarantees precise and accurate work. Low operating noise, relaxed working, and a pleasant atmosphere for you and your patients. In other words, a real silent. We understand the requirements of the practice environment. A sophisticated filter system with H13 HEPA filter materials ensures outstanding cleanliness. Silent XS can be easily cleaned and folded up in a single movement. Silent XS. No more dust in the treatment room and laboratory.